This is an overview of the profit and inventory dashboard template. To use this template, we need to have the add-on installed and activated. In case you haven't already installed the add-on, just go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and search for Gorilla ROI. You will see two different add-ons there. Just install the add-on according to your account plan. Once that's done, you will see the add-on like this. And now we need to activate the add-on. Since I have already activated my add-on, it's not asking me for a user ID. When you are going to activate the add-on, you will have an option here that will say use this add-on. Once you click it, then you will have to come to extensions again, and here you will see add user ID. Since I've already added it, let me show you the box where the user ID is added. So this is the user ID I'm using right now. Once you type in the user ID or copy paste the user ID, hit save. In case the save button doesn't work, you will need to use incognito mode to bypass Google Cache issue. So once that's done, we need to go to the data tab, since this is the backbone of this sheet. So if this data doesn't appear, then the dashboard won't work. So let's say you run into an issue where you see errors here on this sheet. You just need to delete this SKU list formula and then undo it. See, this will trigger a refresh across the whole sheet. Since this sheet is required by the dashboard, that's why we need the data to appear here. So now the data is loaded, we can use the dashboard now. We just need to go here in the enter SKU. We need to select an SKU. Let's select this one. Now we see all the product details here, the inventory status here, the available in stock, transfer, and inbound units. The visual representation is here, and same for the gross profit. You can also select predefined periods. The data logic and the inputs tab, these are actually backend sheets. It's recommended not to edit these sheets. The data logic, the inputs one. And the instructions tab contains the instructions on how to enable the add-on, activate the add-on, and make the formulas work. Other than that, we have the color legend here, so you can go through these and you will find out what the different legends mean. The glossary tab contains the list of functions, all the custom functions we offer. If you hover over this and then click here, it will take you to the relevant web page for this particular function. So if I go here, click here, it will take me to the Gorilla category function page on our website. So this is how the dashboard and the profit and inventory dashboard template works. Thank you.